I would like to invite Mr. Gopal Srinivasan, Chairman, TVS Capital, a person from the prestigious TVS family, to say a few words about Father. He was Father's student and a great friend of Father. He had a dream to uplift Liba. Over to you, sir.
First, my pranams and good wishes to Father Kesmir Raj on this wonderful, momentous day of celebrating 50 years of renunciation and 50 years of service to society. I must tell you that I met him when he just came back from America. I think I was perhaps the first class that he taught. And I cannot forget ever that this man who came with all these ideas and energy, fresh from Santa Clara University, I still remember that even today, and started teaching my business management class in my second year of Loyola. I've had the privilege of knowing him now for, I think, 46 years, so nearly most of his priesthood. And it's been a remarkable association of seeing somebody who single-mindedly had no other agenda, as V.A. George also put it, other than to just deliver the best quality education, regardless of, as he said, no religious barriers, no gender barriers, just making people better. In my own life, I came to college very uninterested in getting a degree, I should say. In fact, disinterested is probably a mild expression. And I never really made much effort to study. And the first time I came into contact with him in his class, I think I was reading a storybook in the class. And he called me and said, "Would you mind sitting in the first row and reading that storybook? I have no problem with your idea of sitting and reading the storybook." And that moment, suddenly my interest in studies came fully there, and actually I think I might have come among the top few ranks in that particular class that I took with him. So his ability, like that famous pearl diver who with faith goes into the ocean, finds that oyster which is closed and somehow discovers the pearl inside that student. I have experienced that joy directly with Father in terms of his teaching ability. And I think he's done this for thousands and thousands and thousands of people. In another phase, we worked together on the Professor C.K. Prahalad initiative at Liba, when I was also on the council at Liba. And that point in time, the ability of somebody to think so big. Professor Prahalad always said, ambition must be greater than resources for innovation to exist. With Father Kesmir Raj, there was always ambition, greatly excess of resources. And he made many of those dreams come true. And like the C.K. Prahalad Center and his idea of bringing innovation and wanting young students to innovate and get into entrepreneurship, that was his passion. So I think we are all very much the better for having such a wonderful soul. They say renunciation is the ultimate message of the Bhagavad Gita, and renunciation is what he has lived all his life. So in that spirit, Father, thank you for everything that you've done. I wish you all happiness, good health, peace, and your continued service to society in the years that you will continue to serve, in the decades that you will continue to serve ahead of this time. And I must say, I cannot but think of the shloka from Bhagavad Gita when the Lord says, Yad yad atarati shreshta tat tad evatere jana sa yat pramanam kurute lokas tat anuvartate, in chapter 3, shloka 21. And he says that the person who is a shreshta, his example will be followed by society. And not only that, the principles, the pramanas that he sets will be the pramanas that society will use. So I am sure many of us have been inspired by you. We follow your pramanas. I'm sure thousands of people are doing it and making this nation better. I pray for your good health. Jai Hind.
Thank you, sir, for sharing your memories and for your kind words.